is Art with OCRV. Got a 2008 Winsport. Customer brought it in. We've got it cleaned up, ready for sale. We took it on consignment, but before we took it on consignment, we went through the coach, did a complete engine, transmission, generator service, checked all the systems, detailed and cleaned the coach up, and now it's for sale. So if you could use any help selling your coach, service work, interior refit, body work, we're here to help. Please give us a call.